Have you ever wondered why court rulings carry so much weight? Let's take a look at the history and foundation of our legal system. At the heart of common law is the concept of precedent, meaning judges look to past decisions to decide current cases. This system has been evolving for over 800 years, starting in medieval England to standardize how justice was delivered. Common law relies on three main pillars: stare decisis, judge-made decisions, and the ability to adapt as society changes over time. It is often compared to civil law, which is based strictly on written legal codes rather than the history of past judicial rulings. While civil law is the most common system used globally, common law remains the standard in major economies like the United States. As Justice Oliver Wendell Holmes famously put it, the life of the law is not just logic, but the collective experience of society. Understanding these foundations helps us grasp why our systems work the way they do. Subscribe for more basics, and thanks for watching.